Hey guys, thought I'd show you some robot props I made. So the guy in the middle is general purpose robot made with a light fixture and spy gear monocular, some springs, some clips. This is actually the top of a military vehicle, small military vehicle model that I modified. And in the front here you have a turret on a mobile platform. This is a miniature tank, and this part here is a light switch, a pole light switch. This is the toy part. This is another military model item. Over here you have a sensor bot. This also has tracks on the bottom you can't see in the picture. These parts are from taking a TV apart. The main body here is a metal container for candy mints. And then over here, this was some kind of toy I just repainted and dry brushed and put the graphics in there. Then this thing is another toy. It's actually a little karaoke type deal, and I added this on the top and dry brushed it. All the light effects are fake, and I used GIMP, Supernova, put all the lights on. So once in a while I just want to make some props. I've been kind of on a Fallout kick, so robots are in. And there you go. All of it's rattle can flat black and silver dry brush highlights. So, hope you liked it. I'm out.